All right, we're going to talk about percentage application today. So we're going to talk about percentages that can be applied to many different situations. We've talked about a few. We got to decode the different situations. Now, these are a little bit different. We're going to talk about taxes and sales, tips, things like that. Taxes are going to be when you have to pay taxes, like at the store, you buy something. That's going to be an increase. Sale, okay, sale price is going to be a decrease. Your amount off is also going to be a decrease because you get to take money off. A tip is an increase because I'm adding it. Gratuity is very similar to a tip. Again, that's an increase in my bill. And then markdown is a decrease. Okay, the key to solving percent problems in real life is understanding what information you are given and what you are looking for or solving for. Savannah works as a sales rep and receives $23.80 for every $140 she sells. What's her rate of commission? So the given information that they gave us was this $23.80 and $140. That was her commission. Okay, which is going to be part, and they gave us the total sales, which is the whole. We're going to look for the percent of commission, which is the percent. Okay, so again, doesn't change, which is kind of nice. Percent over 100, and that's going to equal to part over whole. Cannot use is over of. Okay. All right. So we knew that our commission was our part. That's this guy here. And our sales was our whole. So it's going to be $23.80 over 140. And then our X is in the empty spot. We're going to cross multiply this. So we get 140X is equal to $23.80. No decimal on that one. Divide by 140. Okay, and then when we do that, we're going to get 17, and that's percent. That would be her commission. Okay, so the shoe department is offering a sale for 15% off all shoes. If Mrs. Jeffrey saved $12.30, how much were the shoes full price? Okay, so we're looking for the full price. The given information was the percent off. Okay, and that's our percent there. And then we also had the $12.30, which is going to be part of our price, and that's the dollars off. We are looking for the full price, so we need to make sure that we get the full price out of it. Okay, so go ahead and set it up. Okay, again, you're doing percent over 100 is equal to part over whole. It's 15%, $12.30, and then our X. We're going to cross multiply. Divide. Okay. And then when you divide, you should get 82. So our full price was $82. Okay, so we're going to look at another one. Diego and his 3 cousins went on a road trip. They decided to add the cost of their hotel rooms throughout the trip and then split it between themselves. I used the chart below to determine the cost of the hotels plus a 7% hotel tax. Okay, So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this up first. So take a moment, add that up. Comes 256. Okay, so 256 was our total for the 3 rooms. We're gonna figure out our tax. So percent over 100 is equal to part over whole. Okay, so we're looking for tax. So 7%, and our whole is 256. We're going X. We're gonna have to do a couple of things here. Okay, so let's go ahead and cross multiply this guy. Divide by 100. $17.92. So our tax is $17.92, but we also paid the $256 for the rooms, so we had to put that all together. So my total is $273.92. Okay. Now it says determine how each cousin owes. It's Diego and his 3 cousins. So there are 4 people that are going to split this. So we're going to divide this by 4. When we do that, each person is going to owe $68.48. Okay, so make sure that you go and answer the questions needed. Some of these you have to work in a different order as you go. You have to be careful. On this one, it's like, what's the original price? If it's 30% off, 30% is the sale price.